Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the silverware basket in a KitchenAid dishwasher. It's going to be extremely easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new silverware basket. The silverware basket is used for keeping all the silverware in one place, keeping them spaced out. The main reasons why the silverware basket would need to be replaced is if it breaks or simply missing. Let's open the door, just pull it open, and then we're going to pull out the lower dish rack. Then we can pull straight up the old silverware basket. This is the old silverware basket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And we're going to just place that new silverware basket right there. And now we can slide the rack back in. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean silverware. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.